So, welcome guys to another episode in YaadMentz. That's like the cut. Ready? So, welcome to another episode in YaadMentz.
YaadMentz Tries.
YaadMentz Tries.
Yeah.
YaadMentz Tries. So, today we are trying Kiss.
Yes, we have two new products from Kiss.
This is Kiss Bliss.
And this is Kiss Brownie Rich Dark Chocolate.
Oh, I've never tried that one before.
I've never tried either of these two.
Yeah, I've never tried this one.
We've tried the regular ones. I remember when Kiss just came back to Jamaica, like it was a whole thing.
Right.
Trust me, I used to love me some Kiss cake back in the day. And I'm glad that they actually brought it back to Jamaica.
Yeah, nostalgic feeling.
The one, the most recent one of these that I've had is the coconut flavor. That one not so new again. But these two are pretty new.
Yeah.
So yeah, the Kiss coconut flavor, I love that one.
Yeah.
But today we're gonna be doing these two.
I like brownies, so I hope that this will really make me really like brownies.
Yeah, me too. Like
some
I really,
more.
Yeah,
So,
I really.
I think I'm going to leave this one for last.
Okay, fine.
The brownie one, and let us have the bliss first.
Okay, and this is it's actually a Bliss blueberry cake. That's what it is. So it's supposed to be blueberry flavor.
Right.
They have it in a different shape. Usually the Kiss that we have here is two cupcakes in one.
Right.
But this one is like a long, almost looking like something like a Twinkie.
A Twinkie, right?
Yeah, if you guys know what Twinkie is, that's what
you
it
can
looks
Google
like.
Twinkie if you don't know what Twinkie is.
Yeah.
Back in the 90s, Twinkie was like that. Dang.
So this is what it looks like.
Like a Twinkie.
Right, like a Twinkie. And we're gonna try. Why are you doing that?
I feel it.
Guys, I'm always gonna do that. Like him can't wait.
All right.
So I've been seeing them promoting this real hard on the Instagram. So at them when we post this preview, at them.
So you can take off.
So I'm gonna break half. Ooh,
that's a nice blue flavor.
it's blue, guys. In the middle, it's blue.
Filling.
I like it. Oh, I just put down my clothes. Okay, let's see. It does smell like blueberry though.
Even though artificial flavor.
Yeah, it's artificial.
Yep. But yeah, it has that blueberry thing.
I like
the
it.
bread.
I was sweet too, so anything sweet, me I gonna like it.
You have to have water or a drink with these things because trust me,
you're right.
It will definitely dry up your throat real quick. So you have water. So go ahead. But it's nice. I like the flavor. You can smell the blueberry. It's like you eat and smell the thing at the same time, and that's like a plus for me. Like when you eat and you smell what you eat, it's like everything just come together.
It's a gastronomic experience.
Yes. So I'll definitely give this a thumbs up, like a double thumbs up. Bang, bang.
Yeah, and it says baked fresh in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And it was moist. That's what I really love about Kiss cake. A lot of these baked products that you can get sometimes, they come out like you eat them and they're so dry. But Kiss, Mama telling us about Kiss. Consistent with the moisture.
Yeah,
like their stuff is always very moist.
For real.
So would you give it? You say you give it a thumbs up?
Double thumbs up.
Yeah, I'll give it a double thumbs up as well. Yeah. Even though I really still love the coconut flavor, still try it when you don't try it.
Oh, this package is different. You don't really see. Like this
you can't
is transparent.
really see what's inside.
Right, so you don't really see what's inside the brownie one.
Yeah, I'm excited about brownies too. And trust me, the brownie are for moist. If you're making a brownie, it's for moist. I smell it.
Oh my god, it's dark though. Like it's really dark.
Yeah, because it's dark chocolate.
Right.
Yeah,
dark.
it's a dark chocolate.
Really dark. It's
alright, guys.
Really dark.
That's what it's looking like.
It's really dark. I can smell it too.
I feel excited, nervous. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good.
Just like feeling it is like really moist.
Like you can feel the moisture?
Yes. Alright,
great piece. Ooh, it came apart so easily, guys. So I know say it really moist.
I can smell the chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Guys, we're not even exaggerating. Oh my gosh.
This is good. It's like the only thing is missing from this right now. Chocolate chips.
No. This is better than enough place where sell fresh baked brownie, you know. Guys.
I don't think I want to comment anymore on this. This is good.
So good.
The brownie dark chocolate, oh god.
Heaven. And it actually retail, I think they've had put it retail for $75. And this tastes better than enough for the place them. where I bake it and I sell it for like $500. Look here. Oh my gosh, y'all need to try this. Yo. I give this a triple thumbs up. Give me next thumb. This is really good.
I give her a next thumb. This is really good. I don't even like give
OMG.
it. I have to give it a, like 2 thumbs up because I have 2 thumbs. But yo, the brownie, rich dark chocolate.
Listen.
Shell.
Only need to go to the supermarket and buy this type right now. We were able to get it in Progressive.
Yeah, Shoppers Fair.
So Shoppers Fair. So you guys probably can try one of the Progressive stores.
I think.
Oh my god, guys. This is
good.
So good. Like really alright, I need to stop now.
It is really good.
I wish I had bought another one.
This is really good.
Oh my god, it's so good.
It's like
moist, flavorful, the dark chocolate, the richness.
Buy one of this and just like buy a couple and just go around with it. You don't need to buy like what do you call it? Pastry or like if you go around a restaurant, just have your when you're done eating, just have your own.
I'm so surprised and I'm so like over the moon.
And again, if they had like chocolate chips in it, it would all be like over the roof, but it's really good. This is good.
OMG, guys.
Thumbs
Triple thumbs up. Kiss, big up on yourself all the way. This is so good. Yeah, you guys definitely need to try it. Oh my god. Yeah.
Well, guys, there you have it. I think this is one of the episodes like we really agreed on something that we really like.
We both really like
items as well. Like the bliss is good, but the dark.
Oh my gosh, so good.
It was good.
Better than any cake,
I won't even get paid for this. Me I tell you the truth. Don't buy everything and
but we love it. Oh my god,
it's good. It's really good. Well, guys, again, thank you for watching this episode in YaadMentz Tries.
Yes.
Go out and get yourself some Kiss.
Yes. Kiss products, any one of them, buy up all of them. We love them. Big up on yourself.
Like, share, subscribe, follow us on Instagram.
And remember to at Kiss.
Yeah.
On Instagram, at them under our photos and our pictures so they can see that we did this for you.
This is YaadMentz Tries.
Yeah, this is YaadMentz Tries. Oh my god, so good. Alright, bye guys!
When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.